Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the topic of the fraction in the subject of mathematics is multiplying a mixed number and a whole number. So examples are here. Find the value of 3 whole number 1 by 2. This is a mixed number multiplied by 4. This is a whole number. So the method to solve this kind of question will be first convert the mixed number into an improper fraction first. So look, this denominator will be multiplied with the whole number part and then numerator will be added. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Denominator will remain as it is. So this is the method to convert the mixed number part into improper fraction. Look again. Denominator will be multiplied with the whole number part and numerator will be added. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Denominator will remain as it is. This multiplied by 4 will remain as it is. At this stage, we will try to cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This is the maximum cancellation that can be done at this stage. After this, we will be required to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 7 2s are 14 and in the denominator we are having 1 1. So 1 1s are 1. So there is no need to write 1 in the denominator. So this is the answer. And other question is find the value of 1 whole number 2 by 3 multiplied by 5. Again, a mixed number is going to be multiplied with a whole number. So first we will convert the mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying the denominator with the whole number part and numerator will be added. So 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Denominator will remain as it is. This multiplied by 5 will remain as it is. At this stage we will try to cancel the values as maximum as possible, but look, no values are going to be cancelled. So the next stage will be multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 5 5s are 25 and 3 1s are 3 because 1 is the denominator of this number 5. So at this stage, if you look at the number, that is an improper fraction. So it means we can solve the question further. So now put the value 25 inside the bracket and 3 outside and divide it. So 8 whole number 1 by 3 will be the answer. Here are some more examples. The statement of the question is the mass of a packet of sugar is 2 whole number 2 by 3 kg. Find the total mass of the 6 such packets of the sugar. So if one packet's mass is this, requirement is the mass of the 6 packets. So 6 will be multiplied by this one. So look now, total mass will be equal to 6 multiplied by 2 whole number 2 by 3. So first we will convert this mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying the denominator with the whole number part and then adding the numerator. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 will be 8. Denominator will remain as it is. At this stage, we will try to cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this is the maximum cancellation that can be done at this stage. So at this stage now, we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator by denominator. So 2 8s are 16 and 1 1s are 1. So there is no need to write 1 in the denominator. So answer is 16 and unit used in the question is kg. So this is the answer of the question. Here is another example. So look students, in this kind of questions, these look very easy. But remember, in the paper, students are confused because they do not have enough concepts. They do not have enough techniques. So in each and every question, there are some very small techniques which you should have to learn if you want to get A grade, if you want to solve the paper easily. So try to learn these technicalities. So look at this question. In this question also, here comes a small technicality. The length of the square is 1 whole number 3 by 8. Find the perimeter of the square. So length of square is given and perimeter is the requirement. So you have to know the formula for the perimeter of the square. The perimeter of the square formula is 4L, where L is the length of any one of the sides. So a side is given and perimeter is the requirement, so it means perimeter will be equal to 4 times of this one. So look, 4 times of 1 whole number 3 by 8. This is the technique which is used in this question. While in this question was the mass of the one packet was given and 6 packets mass was the requirement, so the technique was multiply 6 with the mass of one packet. So these are very small techniques which you should have to learn. So look at this question now, 4 times of this one, so 4 multiplied by 1 whole number 3 by 8. Next step will be convert this mixed number into a improper fraction by multiplying the denominator with the whole number part and then add the numerator. So 8 ones are 8 plus 3 11. This 8 will remain as it is. This 4 multiply is also remain as it is. So at this stage, we will now try to cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this is the maximum cancellation that can be done. At this stage, we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 11s are 11 and 2 ones are 2 because 1 is the denominator of the 4. So 2 ones are 2. At this stage, if you look at the fraction, this is an improper fraction. So this can be solved further. So 11 will be put into the bracket and 2 outside the bracket, solve it. The answer will be 5 whole number 1 by 2. So this is the answer, and unit used in the question is meter. So meter will be placed with it. This is another technique. So this is the answer of this question. Here is another example. A small technique is also used in this question. So look carefully. Andrew is 3 whole number 2 by 5 times as old as Mary. If Mary is 20 years old, how old is Andrew? So look now, 3 whole number 2 by 5 times as old as Mary. Look, how we read the table. 2 times of 2, 2 times of 3, 2 times of 4. So times stand for multiply sign. So if Andrew is 3 whole number 2 by 5 times as old as Mary, it stands for 3 whole number 2 by 5 multiplied by Mary's age is 20. So 3 whole number 2 by 5 multiplied by 20. So this is the technique. From here, we will solve the question. First, convert the mixed number part into the improper fraction by multiplying the denominator with the whole number part and adding the numerator. So 5 threes are 15 plus 2 17. Denominator will remain as it is. Multiplied by 20 is remain as it is. So at this stage, we will cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So now we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator by the denominator. So 17 fours are 68 and 1 ones are 1. And there is no need to write 1 in the denominator. So 68 is the answer. So this is the answer of this question. Here is another example. The statement of the question is a fruiterer sold 8 bags of the grapes. The mass of each bag of the grapes was 2 whole number 3 by 4 kg. If he sold the grapes at $12.50 per kg, how much did he get altogether? Here, a small technique will be used as well in this question. So the price per kg is given, but in total kgs are not given. So first we will find how many kgs he has sold. So look now, 8 bags are sold and the mass of each bag was 2 whole number 3 by 4. So first we will multiply 8 with 2 whole number 3 by 4 to get the total number of the kg that is sold. So 8 into 2 whole number 3 by 4. This is the total mass of the grapes. First, we will convert this mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying the denominator with the whole number and adding the numerator. So 4 twos are 8 plus 3 11. 4 will remain as it is. This 8 multiply is also remain as it is. At this stage, we will cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 2 11s are 22 and 1 ones are 1, and there is no need to write 1 in the denominator. So 22 kg is the total mass of the grapes. So look now, the further statement is if he sold the grapes at 12.50 per kg, if 1 kg's price is this one and 22 kgs are sold, so multiply 12.50 with 22. So look now, total cost of the grapes, 22 multiplied by 12.50. At this stage, multiply the values, that will be the answer. So this is the total price that he get all together. Now I'm going to tell you the method to multiply a whole number with a decimal number, because these kind of questions normally come in the paper number 1, in which calculator is not allowed, and you people will be required to solve the question mentally and manually. No calculator will be allowed. So I'm going to tell you the method to multiply a whole number with a decimal number. So come now. So this is the value which is which we are required to solve manually. So look now, there are two methods. One method is by removing the decimal sign and multiply and cancellation. So remove this point sign. One will be placed below the point, and there are 2 digits after that. So 2 zeros will be placed with one. So now cancel the values as maximum as possible. So look now, this 0 will be cancelled with this. Now 5 twos are 10. This 2 will be carried, and 5 fives are 25, and 5 twos are 10 here. And now 2 11s are 22. And now multiply 11 with 25. So look now, 25 multiplied by 11. So 11 fives are 55. 5 will be carried, and 11 twos are 22 plus 5, 27. So this is the answer, 275. This is one method. Here is another method to solve the question. So 22 multiplied by 12.50 is the value which we people are required to solve. So look now, here is another method. So 12.50 multiplied by 22. So we will multiply in a normal way. Look now, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 1 will be carried, 2 twos are 4, plus 1, 5, 2 ones are 2. Cross will be placed below the first digit. Now we are going to multiply with the second digit the whole number. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 1 will be carried, 2 twos are 4, plus 1, 5, and 2 ones are 2. Now add these values. So 0 will come as it is now. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And this 2 will come as it is. At this stage, we will count the digits to the right side of the point. So look now, 1 and 2 digits are there on the right side of the point. In this number, there is no point. Only in this number, there is point. So we will count the digits to the right side of the point. So there are 2 digits. So we will put a point from the right to the left, 2 digits after, because 2 digits are there after the point. So look now, 1, 2. So point will be placed after 2 digits. So this is the other way of solving these kind of the questions.